The U.S. stock market is having a bloodbath day after day. It seems like they're not going to be able to stop it. I mean, we're literally seeing a lot of points being hurt. On top of that, we've seen, just like I called it, 40 to 60% off on many stocks. I brought it to you. You can look at it on the chart yourself. Many companies are already 40, 60% off. The index itself is bleeding day after day. And, I think that we're going to have something worse than the Greatest Depression is going to be the biggest next thing, because we've given a lot of money to people. People are barely making it. A lot of people don't even have $500 in their accounts. A lot of people don't have jobs. Debt is just overextended. We don't produce anything in America, very little. Everything's just from other countries. Now we're going to the war with other countries. We're sanctioning other countries. We are tariffing other countries. And these are the places we get our stuff from. So it doesn't look really, really pretty. And what's going on with around the world with geopolitics, it doesn't look really, really good. At any moment, it can pop off in Russia. It can pop off in Iran. It can pop off in China. Okay. And, we're talking about other countries that are not like, Afghanistan, and, not that Afghanistan is a wimp, but, you can see that what happened in Afghanistan. I mean, think about it. No country has ever gone into Afghanistan and won. They all claim to be, from Russia to America, but at the end of the day, they all withdraw. So, now imagine going after a tougher country like, Russia or China, etc. So, we're in shaky grounds. There's a lot of inflation. Cost of goods are 25% to 50%, depends on what item it is. Some items are deflationary, just maybe like 1 out of 10 items, if even that. The stock market is going up significantly. That real estate is going up significantly. A lot of people can't afford to buy real estate. The homelessness has gone dramatically up. We don't have factories in America anymore to produce stuff. Very, very little. Everything's outsourced. So what do you think is happening, right? So there is pain coming, okay? So we can go to war any minute. We can have massive sell-offs in the stock market. We can have the real estate market crash significantly. We can have high interest rates like I've talked about, 18-19%. We will have high gas, and people don't even know what like their grandparents went through with the depression, shortage of food, empty shelves. But we're seeing a little bit now. But I'm talking about when we have to wait in line, 10 hours to get 1 pound of meat or something. Okay, I came from a country that's been like that. I've studied countries that've been like that, and it doesn't look ugly. It doesn't look pretty. What I'm trying to say is, so hard time is coming. I believe there's a lot of opportunities as well. Just depends who you are. Some people are making a lot of money from this situation, and some people are just like barely getting by because of the situation. I know both sides of the story. I wish there was more I can do. If you're just barely making it, you need some help, then download the new Flip. It's basically a best side hustle where I teach you how to turn $100 into thousands of dollars ASAP, without learning a whole lot of stuff, without getting a website, without any of that stuff. You can just do it ASAP. Go to myrealestatedojo.com. If you enjoyed the video, click the like button. Don't take no for an answer. Always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy, peace.
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy, where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on, for just $97 a month. Join me now at mrnofluff.com. Lastly, the best 6-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.